everyone, I'm Mike with Lenovo, and today I'm here with the ThinkPad P51. Today we're going to be replacing the wireless LAN card. The process should take about 10 minutes and it should be easy enough for anyone to do. The only tool required is a Phillips screwdriver. Before we continue, we need to make sure that we're protected against electrostatic discharge, or ESD. Make sure you shut down the computer and disconnect all cables and accessories from the system. For more information, watch our Understanding Electrostatic Discharge video by clicking the link in the description. And now that we're ready, let's get started. Pull the latch to the unlocked position, pivot the battery up, and lift it from the system. Now we want to loosen the screws on the bottom cover. Then insert a spudger into the hole and pry up around the edges to unsnap the clips. And then lift the computer cover off the system. Now we want to remove the 3 screws that are marked with the keyboard symbol. We want to slide the keyboard towards the monitor, then lift the front end and pull the keyboard out from the bezel and flip it over on top of the system. Now you want to disconnect the keyboard cable and the track point cable from the system board, and then remove the keyboard from the system. Now we want to pull back on the Mylar and then disconnect the cables, the antenna cables. Remove the screw. And then pull the LAN card from the slot. You want to move the Mylar out of the way and install the LAN card into the slot. Then install the screw. Then we need to connect the antenna cables. The gray antenna goes to the main terminal. Just hold the connector in place. And press it down. And then the black antenna cable goes to the auxiliary terminal. Then make sure the cables are routed correctly. Place the keyboard on the system upside down. Now we want to connect the keyboard cable to the system board. And then the track point cable to the system board. And now we flip the keyboard over and slide it under the bezel near the monitor, lower the front end and slide it down to lock it in place. Now we want to replace the 3 screws. Now we want to insert the tabs on the computer cover into the holes in the computer, and then lower the cover down and snap the clips together around the edges. And then tighten the screws. Place the battery into the compartment, press down until it locks into place.